My babies, hello, welcome back to another vlog, another day, another vlog, you know, life. So as you would have seen in the earlier clips, we just came back from walking. So basically what I'm going to do is to bathe, and I'm going to take a little rest, and then, yeah, I think that is it. I combed the little hair earlier. I combed the little hair. Well, you would have seen this in last video, but still. My hair looks so nice earlier. The twist thing. Yeah, man. I know my hair real grown. Like, it has been, how long since I cut my hair? Like 3 weeks? 2 to 3 weeks? Yeah, about 2 to 3 weeks. And all in my hair, I seen a little length now, boy. Of course, it's still short, but it's longer than how it was when I cut it. So, yeah, my hair just need to be left alone, no? Clearly, that's the secret. Leave your hair alone. But anyways, all yeah, so I'll come back to you all just now. My munchkins, you all know it's not gonna be a vlog with me unless there's food involved. So today I'm going to make saltfish and some baked potatoes. This is they call it potato red cream or whatever, but red potatoes that I bought at Massey. It was 24, 37 for the bag. And this is the saltfish that I had soaking. So I just soak my saltfish twice to get out the kind of saltiness, and then I just boil it. So let's do that. So I have my tomato, my pimento, and my onion to cut up. Okay, so it's all cut up. Voila, if only it was that quick. And I have the saltfish. Oh, shadow. I have the saltfish. Let me see. Yeah, I have the saltfish boiling here. So that's boiling. I have that cut up. Now it's to cut up the potatoes and put them to boil. Well, actually, I'll put on the water first to boil and then I'll cut it up. So, yeah, we cooking. So I'm putting in the potato. So I put it here. So right now I'm gonna take out these. I've had it in for how long, boy? When I do this, like 5 days or something. So, I am going to braid my hair. Cause I have length where I can braid it. Like, ta-da! I know it don't look so, but yes, it's have some length. So I'm going to braid my hair. I'm starting to do box braids, but I want to do like the jumbo box braids. At first I wanted to do the spring twist, but then Lamar was like, Boozy, I don't think that's, that's what you want to do. I was like, okay, last time I did it was short. So I think either I'll do it longer or I'll write the box braids. And I'll be doing the rubber band method for that, because if I do jumbo box braids, my hair would slip out most likely, so I would do it with the rubber band method. Of course a video will come with that. Yes, I'm gonna braid my hair either spring twist, box braids, or sonic lace twist. One out of the three of them. Well, boy. So yeah, I'm gonna take out this, wash my hair, deep condition it, because most likely I'll keep it for like a month. And if you're studying, Gabby, why you cut your hair and now you're gonna braid your hair? You know what I want you to do? Answer this question. Why always have long hair and put on a wig? You see, when you can get the answer to that question, you'll get the answer to that question that you're not going to ask me. So, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so since it's gonna wash our hair, deep conditioner thing, and I'll come back to y'all when, like, cause I had to go Pennywise today, to get some stuff, and then to want to get the braiding and thing and to start. So, cause I need to finish this by tonight. And I have a session for 5 o'clock, so we'll see how this goes. Sis might be upgrading until whatever time in the morning, but that's okay because I work for 1 tomorrow. So even though I don't like to work the 1 to 10, it will come in handy because we'll have my hair to do. Hi babies, so I just reached back home. My hair is washed and deep conditioned to the T, because as I told you all, I am braiding my hair. So I'll be doing just normal box braids. I wanted to do spring twist, but nah. So I have about this length, so I should be able to do so, all the way around my head. It's just like the front hair that a little bit short, but this could be able to grip, so I'm like worried. So let me show you. So I went to the pennies of the wise and I got my stuffies. So I have a Pennywise haul coming. If not this week, next week. No, most likely it will be this week, yeah. So it will be either Friday or Saturday video. There's a hair there, and I just bought something there, and yeah. So let me get started on my hair. I have a session for 5 o'clock, so let's see how far I can reach before 5. By about 4:30, so I will stop and let's see. Hi y'all, so welcome back. It's a new day, same vlog. From the background, I'm quite sure you could guess where I am. So yes, we are at the beach once again this week. Only like, I don't even know if you could hear me, but let me explain why we come by the beach so often. So as you all know, I am always stressed with work. We're working on that to get out of that stressful situation. But coming to the beach either before my shift or like on the day that I get off on the weekend, it's kind of like reset my brain, and it's just very calming, like more than just going in the gardens or something. I don't know, it's something about the beach itself, and like just hearing the waves crashing and the breeze and just the atmosphere, just greenery and literally water around you, and well, sand obviously. This just have like a calming effect on me or for me. So that's why, like, once we can, Lamar does always try for us to come up on the beach, even though it's for like 2 hours alone, just for me to get like a kind of zen moment. Now boy, now granted he does bathe in the beach, so it's not a one-sided thing, but when we can, we try to come and kind of just like bathe off the vibes of the week, and well, in my case, relax off the vibes of the week so we could start like fresh. Obviously it will still have annoying moments, but this is kind of help, like, at least me, with coping with the whole situation now boys. So yeah, that's why we see up here almost every week. Not every week, but like since it opened back, we try to come every week, you know. So yeah, so basically this is where we ended off today's vlog, well, this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's, actually in tomorrow's video. Yeah, bye.